Hello kids! Welcome to our fun learning video. Today, we're going to explore different shapes together. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Let's start with the circle. A circle is round like a ball. Can you draw a circle in the air with your finger? Great job! Look around you. Do you see something that looks like a square? Yes, that's right. A square has 4 sides that are all the same length. Can you find a square in your room? It's a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. Can you make a triangle shape with your hands? Well done. A rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Can you think of something in your home that is shaped like a rectangle? We learned about circles, squares, triangles, and rectangles. Shapes are all around us, and they help us understand the world. Keep exploring and learning, and I'll see you next time.